Hello, Mr. Edwards. It looks like we are going to be a little more casual this time out. I hope you are ready to go. Do you remember this car, Mr. Edwards? I ran the battery down last time. Although I got it to start this morning. I don't think the car recovered from our last meeting. Let's find out. I am just going to pump it a few times. It might start. It might get flooded. You like that mystery, don't you, Mr. Edwards? Uh-oh. I think I may have flooded it again. Or is the battery that weak? It's not getting enough gas to the engine? Come on, baby. Start. Come on, baby. Start. Wow, your engine cranks so slow. I see your engine is doing just fine, Mr. Edwards. Do you want me to continue? Come on, baby. Don't be a bad car. Please start. Start for mommy. The battery is running down again, Mr. Edwards. But you seem to be okay. What is it? The slow cranking? My sandaled foot on the pedal? My rhythmic pumping? Or is it all of it? We once again have a dead battery, Mr. Edwards. Maybe next time you should bring some extra clothes.